In today's video, we're going to find the area of a figure. So we have a problem like this that shows a figure and we can see the dimensions. So this is 15, this is 10, this is 5, this is 6, 10, and 4, okay? So the area of a rectangle is equal to its length times its width. So what we're going to do is we're going to split this into two. And we're going to find the total area of area A and the area B and add them together. The total area of the figure will be area A plus area B. So area A, we could see the dimensions, length times width. So the length is 10 and the width is 4. So we just multiply 10 times 4 and it gives us 40 centimeters squared. Remember, area is calculated in square units. And for area B, we just take the length times its width, which is 10 times 5, which is 50 centimeters squared. Now we just add them together. The total area of the figure equals 40 plus 50, which is 90 centimeters squared. And that's the end of this video. Don't worry if you don't understand that. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this video. It'll take you right here, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.